Today's Thursday, August 24th. This is the 1976 to 1979 Cadillac Eldorado windshield wiper switch controller module. This is for my friend in Maryland, James, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. The unit has been completely disassembled and fully restored, and I'll go ahead and test the squirter, and we see the light bulb come on, and test the different speeds for the delay feature. Off, high, off, medium, off, low, and off again. And slide across for the delay. And we see that the compound sliding switch now is working beautifully as intended. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1978 for the Cadillac Eldorado, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as these double compounded sliding windshield wiper controller modules. Today is Thursday, August 23rd. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.